Use iterative testing to fine-tune your call to action and turn user attention into real conversions. This feature lets you analyze how users visually interact with your design and helps you optimize the elements that matter most. Iterative testing is built into the visual usability checker pop-up, showing you exactly where user attention goes instantly. Attention is visualized as clear percentages, giving immediate feedback to compare how focus shifts with every design change. This workflow lets you refine layouts in real time, track exactly how much attention each element receives, and make confident design decisions based on precise visual data. Let's walk through it. First, choose the type of design that you want to test. In this case, we're working with the desktop layout. Next, select the objects you want to analyze, up to 10 within a single frame. This gives you flexibility to test multiple areas of your design, whether it's text, buttons, or images. Focus on the specific elements you want to improve. After each test, you'll see updated percentages that show exactly how much attention each object received and how that changes with every design iteration. Let's begin by selecting the heading on the page. If the tool automatically selects nested elements, make sure to clean those up so you're only testing the content you care about. Now select the call to action button. This is our main focus, since improving its visibility can have a direct impact on engagement and conversions. Enable the progress tracking option. This will save each version you test so you can clearly compare the impact of every change you make across multiple iterations. Click Start Testing to begin. You will immediately see a new variation, version 1, which is a copy of your original frame. It highlights the selected objects and gives you your first attention distribution baseline. You'll also see a draft version. This is where you'll make changes, create new variations, and run tests to improve visibility scores for your selected objects. The goal: increase the visibility of the call to action button without sacrificing focus on the heading. We start by selecting the CTA button and darken it to boost contrast. Then, we test to see how that impacts attention distribution. We run the test. CTA visibility improves. Version 1 was the original design. In version 2, the CTA attracts more focus, but heading visibility decreases slightly compared to before. We want the heading to stay prominent too, so we adjust it next. We increase the heading size to 64 and set it to HUD contents so it fits properly. Then we test this new variation using the visual usability checker. Heading visibility improves significantly. It's now performing better than in version 2. However, we can see that the CTA attention drops a bit, but still performs better than in version 1. We aim to restore the CTA's earlier result, 2.3% now, compared to 2.6% in version 2. Back in the draft, we adjust the layout, adding space around the CTA and reducing the input field to refocus attention. We run another test. CTA visibility rises again. The heading drops slightly, but both perform well. Since our priority is conversion, the result is strong. We now compare all versions. Version 4 has the highest CTA visibility. The heading is slightly less visible than in version 3. But both elements perform far better than in the original layout. This version strikes the right balance. It's ready to save, present to stakeholders, and showcase alongside our iteration process. Out of all tested versions, this one clearly performs best. It's the version we would move forward with and would apply to the homepage.